discuss an important and relevant topic about gender and sexuality online. So, the internet has become a powerful space for self expression, learning, and community building. However, it also presents challenges such as discrimination, cyberbullying, and privacy risks. So in this presentation, we'll explore the impact of digital platforms on gender identity and sexual expression. So let's begin. Before I proceed, we have a eight topic about gender and sexuality online. So let us first define what is gender stereotype online. So stereotypes are everywhere online social media advertisement and online games often reinforce traditional rules. Women are expected to be beautiful and feminine while men are pressured to be strong and emotionless. Unfortunately, this expectation can harm self-esteem and mental health. However, some influencers and activists are using online platforms to break these stereotypes, promoting diversity and inclusivity. For example, many female gamers challenge that the stereotypes that the video game are only for men, and many men are now openly expressing emotions online without fear of judgment.
So, the next is social media and self-expression. Despite the challenges, social media has become a space for people to express their gender and sexuality freely. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media apps allow users to share their identities and educate others and promote acceptance. However, there is also pressure to fit into certain beauty and lifestyle standards because some influencers only show ideal versions of themselves, making it hard for others to feel accepted. That's why it's important to follow diverse content creators and promote positive online culture. Social media and self-expression are intertwined concepts that describe how people use online platforms and to share their thoughts, feelings, and personalities with the world. The image for social media and self-expression portraits a diverse group of individuals confidently using social media to express their gender, identity, and individuality, expressing thoughts in certain posts and videos. The vibrant and colorful online content and background symbolizes the diversity, inclusivity, and social media fosters. This image highlights how digital platforms empower people to embrace their true selves and challenges social media norms.
So privacy and safety concern is the one of the biggest risks online in privacy. Some people face doxing with their personal information is leading to harassment in real life. Others get outed online without their consent, which can be dangerous in many platform track users. Sometimes, without them knowing to stay safe, users should adjust their privacy settings, avoid sharing information, and report abusive content. Social media companies also need to do better in protecting their users from this risk. In today's digital world, so much personal information shared online is essential to protect that data from misuse, breaches, and unauthorized access. Safeguarding privacy involves measures like strong encryption using secure platform and being mindful what personal data is shared.
So, online harassment and discrimination. Sadly, discrimination and harassment based on gender and sexuality are common online. Hate speech, cyberbullying, and even threats target women, LGBTQ plus individuals, and those who do not conform with the traditional gender roles. Misgendering and dead-naming are also forms of online harassment where people intentionally use the wrong name or pronouns for transgender individuals. The negativity effect or pronouns mental health and lead to spatial withdrawal. To fight these social media platforms must improve content moderation and users should stand up against online hate.
The role of education in promoting gender and sexuality awareness online. Education plays a crucial role in shaping how people understand gender identity, sexual orientation, and inclusivity in digital spaces. The internet provides access to the vast amounts of information, but misinformation, biases, and stereotypes can spread easily without proper education. For example, many social media platforms contain misleading posts about gender and sexuality, which can reinforce harmful misconceptions. Educational programs that teach media literacy empower individuals to fact-check sources and challenges about false narrative. School, universities, and online courses can integrate lessons on gender diversity and LGBTQ+ rights, helping students develop an inclusive mindset. Additionally, initiatives like digital workshops and awareness campaign promote respectful communication in online communities. By prioritizing education, society can create a safer and more inclusive digital environment where individuals of all gender identities and sexual orientations are represented accurately.
Positive impact of online communities. Despite of all the risks, online communities provide support, education, and advocacy for gender and sexual minorities. LGBTQ plus groups, forums, and social media pages offer safe spaces for people to connect and seek advice. Digital activism has also helped change the laws and attitudes worldwide. Many people have found acceptance and empowerment through online communities, showing that the internet can force for good. For an example, an online campaign successfully mobilized support for a bill protecting LGBTQ plus individuals from discrimination. The community organized online petition, shared information about the bill, and encouraged individuals to contact their elected officials. This collective action resulted in the bill's passage.
So the next is the influence of social media on gender norms and identity. Social media can both reinforce and challenge gender norms. Some content promotes traditional beauty standards and masculinity expectations, while others encourage gender expressions beyond societal norms. So trends like boys can wear dresses help break stereotypes, making social media a platform for a change.
Representation of LGBTQ identities. Gender stereotypes are generalized beliefs or expectations about individuals should behave based on their gender. Online platforms often reinforce these stereotypes through advertisements, social media contents, and digital entertainments.